How to fix Mitti for Mac not uninstalling. To get the job done, you can create a shell script, .sh, on Mac OS to uninstall Mitti. To create a shell script to uninstall Mitti, follow these steps. 1. Open Terminal, you can find it in the Utilities folder within the Applications folder. 2. Type the following command and press enter, sudo rmrf/application/mitti.app. 3. Enter your administrator password when prompted. 4. The above command will delete the Mitti application from the Applications folder. If you want to delete any associated preferences or cache files, you can run the following commands as well: rmrf/library/preferences/com/imamot.mitti.plist. rmrf/library/application/support/mitti/node. Running the above commands will permanently delete the Mitti application and associated files from your Mac. Make sure you have a backup of any important data before proceeding. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.